Hey everyone, once again I welcome you all in today's video of my project series number 4. So here in today's video I am going to present you all with my class 10 standard project on the subject economics on the given topic consumer awareness. While doing the project I literally had no idea about the topic where it was not clearly explained in our class by the subject teacher, but thanks to the NCERT sites from where I was able to collect all the information and relevant pictures according to the topic. So without any further delay, let's begin with our today's series of project. I hope you all have liked my project and find it very helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share it with your friends and teachers for help and guidance, and do comment below your reviews about my work. And don't forget to watch my other project series videos, and do subscribe my channel to stay updated. And do check the description box for further project and ideas. So it's time for me to beg you. Take care and stay safe.
What we do here is go back.